Have you ever wondered how AI stacks up against human developers? In a recent experiment, I put this question to the test. I challenged 10 senior developers and 5 AI coding agents with the same coding task. The results were truly eye-opening. An AI agent wrote functional code in just 47 seconds. Meanwhile, humans took an average of 2.3 hours to complete the same task. Yet, despite AI's speed, it was not without faults. One AI created a security vulnerability that was caught by a junior developer. Today, we'll dive into my findings on AI coding agents. We'll explore their strengths, weaknesses, and what this means for developers like you. Let's start with where AI shines. When generating boilerplate code, such as REST API endpoints, AI performs exceptionally well. For standard patterns, AI not only saves time but also maintains accuracy. For instance, creating a basic CRUD API takes humans around 45 minutes. The AI? Just 3 minutes with an impressive 90% accuracy. Next up is documentation. I handed 500 lines of undocumented legacy code to AI agents. Cursor AI generated accurate explanations 87% of the time and highlighted potential issues I had overlooked. Debugging is another area where AI excels. When I introduced syntax errors and logic problems, AI agents found solutions 73% of the time in mere seconds. This is a huge relief for developers who often dread these tedious tasks. However, AI doesn't come without challenges. When tasked with making architecture decisions, AI fell short. I had 3 AI agents design a system for 1 million users. Shockingly, all their designs would crash under 10,000 users. The common mistake? AI relies on past patterns instead of proposing solutions tailored for specific needs. Context awareness is another hurdle. When I asked AI to optimize a trading algorithm, it suggested something suitable for a video game but not for regulated financial trading. Security is a critical concern too. In my tests, AI-generated code was vulnerable to issues like SQL injection 34% of the time. More worryingly, AI can follow poor instructions blindly. I asked for a password system that stored plain text, and 2 AI agents built it without a single warning. A human developer would have flagged this immediately. For a final challenge, I assigned both human developers and AI agents the task of creating a task management app. Humans took 3 weeks, while AI produced initial prototypes in just 4 hours. Yet, the AI versions had serious flaws. They nailed basic tasks but overlooked critical scenarios, leading to incomplete applications. User satisfaction mirrored these results. Human-built applications boasted an 87% satisfaction rate, while those created by AI only reached 34%. The crucial insight here is combining the strengths of both human and AI capabilities. Think of AI as a superpowered junior developer. Humans are needed for architecture, requirements, and code reviews. In my tests, this combination sped up projects by 47% while keeping quality intact. The key? Clear specifications and ongoing oversight. A good prompt, like asking for a JWT-based authentication middleware with security event logging, helps AI excel. So, will AI replace developers? Not a chance. While it will change developer roles, skilled developers will only become more valuable. The future toolkit for developers will include AI for rapid prototyping and routine tasks. However, human skills in design, business understanding, and security remain irreplaceable. The developers succeeding with AI embrace it, learning to guide its capabilities. AI takes care of the repetitive tasks while humans tackle the complex problems. Are you using AI coding agents? Share your experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more insights on AI's impact in coding.